So today I bought these Kid brand smoke and carbon monoxide alarms. I'm pulling out the Nest Protects that currently are installed because since we're moving and the realtor told us that they don't add much value to the house, I'm going to keep the Nest Protects and I'm gonna install these slightly cheaper ones. Actually, they're cheaper by half, so they were about $69.99 each at Canadian Tire. Um, Not on sale, regular price. And I just compared to one that was $5 cheaper, this one seemed much cooler. So I just spent the extra $5 to get them. It says worry-free battery backup, never needs charging for the life of the alarm. Intelligent technology speaks the danger. Hush test button. End of life chirp from time of activation. So from the time of activation, it'll last 10 years. Um, then the other side is just French and a lot of little writing and more little writing, some specs, I suppose. Yeah, that's it. So I'm gonna open it now. Uh, Hopefully this can help me open it. This is the third box I've opened. I just thought maybe I should do an unboxing video in case anyone's interested in getting one too. So far, like I tested after installing two of them. I tested them and yeah, they seem smarter than just regular ones that beep. They let off the beep first, and then voice comes on and indicates what it's alarming you to. So if it's a smoke alarm that it's beeping, it'll say smoke alarm. And if it's carbon monoxide, it'll say carbon monoxide. And it says it in English and French, so in case you're French speaking only, then you'll understand what it's trying to tell you. So I just ripped off the plastic on the side that, the purple side, and the black side. And here, there's a flap that you have to pull out, and then you lift up the lid. So this is opening up the side of the box. The top of the box doesn't have anything to open. So when you pull it out, you'll see there's this plate that hooks onto the box, the electrical box in the ceiling. And then I'm not sure why they put this red thing around it, but there's a plastic bag that it's sitting in, and there's a dry package, and then I just pull it out of this. It almost looks like a hairnet. Oh, I guess there's some printing on here. Installer, do not remove dust cover until all construction painting, varnish, mounting plate installed. Construction dust and chemicals can cause contamination and false alarms. Dust cover must be removed for alarm to operate. Okay, so that's why it's a dust cover in case there's construction going on. So it's okay for me to remove it now because there's no construction going on. And then there's a really thick manual here. Oh, it's thick because it's just folded 3 times. And there's probably English and French in there. And then there's this cable. The top of the cable goes into the top here, but you don't plug it in until after you've installed the wires. And luckily, with this with alarms, I guess smoke alarms, there are only 3 wires up there, so you just and they're all wire nut, so you just undo the wire nut, remove the old one, and then stick the new wire in. If it's black, then you just twist it back in. It's really easy. And so I've gone through 2 of them within just, I don't know, 10-15 minutes. Um, I don't know what the hardest part of it is. It seems all pretty simple. So here we go. Um, well, actually, I am gonna go install it. I did a partial install video. You pretty much just twist the old one off, and then it'll hang, and then you undo the cable that's plugged into it, which the Nest Protect. It's you just squeeze it and you pull it up, and then that allows you to bring the device down from the ceiling, and then you unscrew the plate. It has its own plate, so you unscrew the plate, but you don't have to unscrew the screws all the way out. You can just unscrew them enough so that the plate can turn. See how the middle here has a big hole? You just make the screw come out enough so that you can turn it to the big hole, and then it'll allow the screw to come, or the plate to come out. And then you just undo the wire nuts and then remove the old wires and put the new ones in. I suggest to do one at a time. That way you can screw in the new one at a time, and you can get it all done at once. And then you do everything in reverse to get it back up. Okay, oh, thanks for watching the unboxing video. It just comes with these 4 items: the instructions, the alarm device itself, and the plate, and the cable connector. Oh yeah, what's great is this red wire. It allows you to connect all of them together, so if one alarm sets, then all of them go. Like if one detects smoke, then all of them will alarm. In case people are in different parts of the house that might not be able to hear, say, the one in the basement if you're up 2 floors. So yeah, I thought that was really cool, because the Nest Protect ones, they don't have that wire, but I think they're software connected, so they actually will all um, alarm at the same time. Um, anyway, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe and hit the thumbs up, and leave a comment if this helped you out. And I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day. Bye.